Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy, and he spotted something over there over the allotment, and I've been and bought myself one of these. Meant to be the ideal size to cover a pallet collar raised bed, so I thought I'd give them a go. You can get them as a polytunnel type structure or netting. I'll link them in the description. Now there's a special offer on, I think they're usually 18 quid and I paid £15 something. Now it's just the cover itself, don't come with the frame. They do sell the frame, they sell these frames, however one set of frames is 30 quid, so I thought it was a bit steep. So I went to the hardware shop, I bought 2 bits of this piping. This cost me under £6, £5.90 something. So, going to be using that. Now, this is by a company called Haxnicks. I've been looking into them and apparently they've been going for a long time. Reputable company. Anyway, so let's have a look. Yeah, feels good quality. It's got some vents on the end. Don't know if it's got a door or not. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I need to measure that so I can get the size that I need for my hoop. So the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to take a bit of string, run a bit of string along there to the right length. So now I've got a bit of string that's the same length as the hoop that I need. So I'm now going to cut those 2 plastic pipes down to just a bit longer than the length of that bit of string, just in case. Don't want to cut it too short. So I'll cut those down with the hacksaw. I'll bring it back and we're going to fit this. So that's them cut. Not much waste really. I'll keep these pipes to one side just in case. Need them for something. Guarantee I'll throw them away. I need a bit of piping, won't I, for the water butts or something. Right, so I'm going to fit these now and see how well the cover fits. Hopefully my measuring is good. Now this bed here, just want the carrots in there. I'm doing a video on those, testing them out. Probably be out in about 3 months time. So if you want to see that, hit subscribe. I will put it on the screen at the end of this video, a link to it. When I finish filming it, that is. Anyway, so yeah, we'll extend the growing time on this bed. Now over there, my squash beds, all my squash got destroyed by slugs and snails. So depending on how good this fits, I'm thinking of putting pallet collar raised beds all along there. And for next year, getting covers from all. Right, so let's test this out. There you go, they go in quite easy. You have got to manipulate them a bit. Just get them pushed into the soft soil. Now you could get a drill a hole and put a screw through there. But I'm not going to bother for now. As you can see, one loop slightly bigger than the other. So let me get that evened out. Okay, so that's that done. Like I say, these are just pushed in to the soil. I could put a screw through. Drill a hole, put a little screw through. I'm not going to, because they seem sturdy enough. But we'll see. If they do start shifting or moving, I'll just bring the drill up and put a screw through. Right, so let's see how well the cover fits that then. As you can see, my rhubarb's absolutely booming. Now, it has got these little hooks on it, so I'll see what I can do with those after. First things first, let's see how well it fits this frame. Okay. Yeah, good fit. As you can see there, it is the perfect size for a pallet collar raised bed. And there's the little hooks on each corner, so I think I'm going to get some pegs and I'm just going to peg those down. Okay, so far only kind of criticism I've got, maybe a middle bar. I might improvise something, or another hoop in the middle, another hoop in the centre, I reckon we'll do it, and this. So any kind of slugs or snails or anything could just crawl up in there. I'm sure they will. So I'm thinking of doing, I haven't got it with me, but I'm thinking I've got some elasticated string. I'm thinking of putting elasticated string all the way around the bottom, just to hold this up against there, stop slugs and snails getting in, and also potentially stop the wind getting in there and catching it, blowing it away. Okay, so yeah, that was the solution. There you go, third hoop in the middle. I found a spare bit of this piping in the polytunnel. You could potentially put one down the middle as well, support, but don't think it needs it. Okay, so there you go. Like I say, only criticism is it's not tight. You could do with maybe some more loops to peg it down in the centre here, the centre there, and the centre here and here. However, I've got some elasticated string. I'm going to put that around just to hold it in. Like I say, stop the wind getting in and any bugs, slugs or snails. So yeah, link is in the description if you fancy trying one. If you found the video useful, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.